Yeah, let's go right there. Yeah. Bad boy. Can you believe that's $3 you just put on there? It's about to be gone. $3 jig. Colin must be excited. Man, I want to come swimming. Ultra glow. Maybe these are the ones to go tonight.
Oh, do they all glow?
Yeah, you want one? Ultra glow. Ultra glow. Oh, ultra glow. Here we go. Check it out. It's already here. Damn. Yeah, have a beer. Yeah. Nice and cold. Should be like Kong. If we're still here at 8, you should join us. You got 2 hours.
Yeah, no man.
And then he can come pick us up with his truck.
That's what I was hoping.
How the kids up to? Wow. Wow, who's the big boy?
See your dad?
Hey, give me a hug. Give me a hug. I'm on the ice with Uncle. Hey, kids. What did you eat? Pizza? Oh, pepperoni. Wow. I'm jealous. I'm gonna have to come back home then. I'm gonna see if Uncle wants to come home too. Ooh. I think I found a bad boy. He's all over me.
Oh, right there.
It might be our first fish of the night. I got it!
Good.
I got it!
Good. Go, good.
I got it!
Here, let me get the camera.
I got it!
Look at your daddy, dude. Look at your daddy.
I got the fish!
Yo, you got crappie. Yo, your drag, dude. Your drag. Just pull it. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Yeah! Our first fish of the night! Good job. You guys gave me good luck. I knew it. Yeah.
Are you hanging on to it?
Actually, I probably won't. Because I don't want to eat it. Anyways. That was fun, guys. Look. Look at the big fish.
Are you gonna drop it in the water?
Yeah, because I don't want to eat it. Okay, say bye to the fish.
Hi, Piggy.
First fish of the night was talking to you guys. You guys gave me good luck.
Hey, let's go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
I'll let you guys go and eat. Thanks for the good luck charm.
Bye. I love you.
Love you too. First fish of the night after like what? 2 hours? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, yeah, here it comes.
Shit. They like that pink.
Oh, yeah, he's right on it. Oh, yeah, he's right on it.
Shit. Here comes another one. 840.
Right there, right there. Oh, bro.
840, baby. 840 pound time.
Oh, it's another crappie. Yo, is that the same one?
I don't know.
It looks the same.
No, but 840, baby. It's the prime time. We know the time now, baby. They like that pink. They like that pink pea.
Oh, hell.
Let's put it in this hole.
Yo, you're putting it through.
No, man, they know how to swim. Dude, it's the glow, man. It's the ultra glow and the pink pea. Every time I go for a drink, they always come.
But yeah, he got 2 so far. It almost looked like it was the same crappie.
No, man.
It was roughly the same size too.
Same one never bites twice.
We're just gonna keep fishing here for now because the tent is here and we can't move the tent really. Yeah,
Not really.
yeah, not really, not a bunch, but it's alright. Just chilling.
Pack up. Just pack up right now and then go to that other spot that I pinged you and then I'll meet you guys there.
It just got stuck. You can't turn it? Oh, we got him. Got him.
Little ass guy, what the?
Dude, what?
Fuck,
Not
white
even
bass.
It's a white bass.
What the?
All right, take him home to eat.
A little white
Let's
bass.
take him home to eat.
Yeah, right. You can't eat
You guys
that.
keeping any? No.
Not really. That thing's tiny.
Dude, you let it go though.
See?
But let's just go a little bit more.
He slipped, bro.
From my leg.
Dude. It's a solid piece, bro. What the? Oh my god.
God damn, that hurt. Jeez.